Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. And today's video, I'm going to show you on how to save JPEG in Photoshop. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here. So you have to go to File. Then next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to Save a Copy, or press Alt plus Control and S on your keyboard. And this dialog box here is going to pop up. Then the next thing you want to do here is to simply locate File destination. So I'm going to save the file in my desktop, just like so. The next thing we want to do is to come down below right here, Save As Type, click on here, and you have to make sure you look for JPEG, select on that. Then next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and click on Save. So this is going to pump up right here. Now for higher resolution, what you need to do is to simply click on here and choose maximum. Then you have it like so. You can also make use of this slider, take it to the larger file. So you can see the size increase, but the resolution is going to be more higher. Next thing we want to do is to simply hit on OK. And so just like so, everything will save in a simple way. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to save JPEG file format in Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.